How's it going? How you doing? Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be installing Remark muffler deletes. I've literally been outside for 5 minutes and I'm already sweating this bad. Like literally just not long enough to put my car on the ramps. I'm the dumbest person in the world for doing this in the middle of the afternoon in Texas with no sleeves, but I'm not going to change my shirt because I need a tan because I'm fucking pale. Look at this. Isn't that lovely? I got a little bit of glass that I get to roll around in. That's cool. I hope I cut my shoulder open. That's fucking awesome. Just look how ugly these are. They're so dirty and ugly. They're technically double walled, it looks like. Let's look under here and see what we got going on. Oh my god, I laid right in the glass. I'm stupid. Oh my god. This pavement is really hot. I'm gonna get a broom so I don't stab myself on parking lot glass. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna find all the hangers and completely soak them in some PB blaster. Don't get PB blaster on me. I missed. It's gonna get all over me. Good news is my exhaust isn't hot, so you know. Now we're gonna get our wrenches and we're gonna undo the little boltonators. All right, while we're letting that PB blaster soak in a little bit, I was really concerned that it was gonna be way too hot on my mufflers because I took off of work early because I didn't want it to get stolen off my porch, and I drive an hour to come home from work, but it's also been an hour since I got home. So it seems to have cooled off quite a bit, at least the exhaust part has. So we're gonna get into it. So it's gonna require 14 millimeter. We're gonna use 3/4 ratchet and 1/2 inch ratchet. So these are not studs, so you have to put one on each side to loosen them up. Otherwise, it's not gonna be easy. Oh, this is my least favorite part. Oh, that wasn't too bad at all. Wow. Yeah. How was your weekend? What did you do last week? Did you do something cool? Was it fun? I decided to throw in my gloves so I don't bash up my knuckles too bad. Oh man. That just slid right out like butter. And this one's gonna go the other direction. Oh no, it's not. It goes this way? Yeah, it goes this way. Alright. This is just an awkward position. Oh no, my leg's on fire. Come on, butt nugget. Word to the wise, do the one next to the outside of the car first, because it's the hardest to get to, apparently. Aha! Gotcha. Look how stupid this thing is. So big. Alright, now we're gonna loosen it this side. I didn't already do it like I should have. Probably in the most precarious position to do this. You know, I want to make sure I don't have any teeth by the time I'm done with this. Loosen up this side. Ah, it's in my eye. Ah, what is it? Ah. What did you go do? Oh yeah? That's cool. I'd like to do that someday. That sounds like fun. Let that. That's what happens when you get too excited. Ah, it's in my eye again. Ah. Now we're gonna try and take off this hanger in the back first. Well, it definitely helps to be looking at it. Oh wow, yeah, that's just slipped right out. I don't know, where is this one? Oh god. Yeah, definitely do the one on the outside first. That was way easier. Ha! Hit! Handy dandy pocket knife. Cut the shit open. Gaskets, hardware. Ooh, look at that. I didn't even see that. It's got a little remark. It says remark. Yeah, these are stiff. Yep, definitely prettier. I found the main difference. See this? See how bloobly dooble that is? This thing, it does not move. So, oh, we're gonna PB blaster this shit. We're gonna try and get them the f off of there, but it's not gonna be fun. If it takes too long, I'm gonna give up on it. Yeah. Oh, this won't be so bad. Oh yeah. WD-40, it's all about PB blaster. Lube it all up nice and good like. A little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of real grease, aka PB blaster. And it scoots right up on there. I missed 3 times. There we go. Just bushing. Aha! That's why I have gloves on, because I would have just cut my finger open on this heat shielding. Holy crap. And go. Pull on it down a little bit. Kind of squeeze it over the flange. Boom. Easy peasy. No cutting fingers off today. Than the stock ones, but oh, it's in my eyes. Oh, I can't see. Guys, I'm blind. I have PB blaster in my eyes. My eyes are gonna fall out. Cool, there you go. Ah, ah, ah. It burns. All right. See how easily this will squirge in there. Got it. I've got it in. Just the tip though. So, I missed. Oh, dude. And then that one just went in like butter cake. Open our gasket. Stab it right through the heart. All right. So I'm gonna take a little bolt and we're gonna finger tighten it a little bit. I'm gonna drop this on my face. I swear to God, I'm gonna drop one of these nuts on my face. We've got our exhaust gasket in. We've got our screws in. We've got our. Ah! See, now I can't drop it on my face. Very little known fact, core strength is a part of working on cars. You see how I'm holding my body up like this? All core strength. I thought of something brilliant in my infinite smartitude. We can use our rag to contain our overspray. Let's squirge this little butthole in here. Oh. Yep. Lubing the correct side of the holes definitely helps. Boom. Oh my God, that makes it so much easier. Ow. This side in first. And go. Ah. Go. Ah. Damn it, I dropped my nut. I lost my nut. Screw it in, screw it in. There's no torque specs included on the instruction. It literally just says tighten nuts. Pretty tight. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tighten these down so they feel nice and good. I'll probably check them in like a week or something. They look really good. They don't look much different from stock. Like if you're standing up here, they kind of look pretty normal. Am I ready for it? Are you ready for it? I don't know if I'm ready for it. But yeah, warm start was pretty underwhelming. I'm kind of surprised. I thought it was going to be much louder, but the cold start will definitely determine that. That's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell because life happens. Thanks for watching.